Welcome all to my YouTube channel Shweta Gupta Classes. So this is part 2 of the chapter solution, in which we'll be studying about the classification of solution, how we classify solutions. So the first basis to classify solution is on the basis of a solvent. So which type of solvent is present. On the basis of that, we divide the solution into two categories. So if the solvent is water, then we call those solutions aqueous solution. And if the solvent is other than water, then we call those as non-aqueous solution. So on the basis of solvent, it is mainly we are taking with the help of water. If it is water, aqueous solution. If it is other than water, then it is non-aqueous solution. So the example for aqueous solution is ethanol in water. Solvent is water in which will be dissolving the solute ethanol. So here the solvent is water, so it is aqueous solution. And next example is iodine in alcohol. Here iodine is dissolved in alcohol. Alcohol is a solvent and iodine is a solute. So here the solvent is other than water. So therefore it is non-aqueous solution. Next basis to classify solution is on the basis of number of components. As the name indicates, number of components, it means how many substances you are combining together to make the solution. So, the first type is binary solution. Bi means two. So, when a solution contains two components, then that is binary solution. For example, salt solution. When you dissolve salt in water, you get salt solution. So salt 1, water 2. So total two components mixed together will form binary solution, that is salt solution. Next one is ternary solution. Ternary, T for ternary, T for 3. So solution with 3 components are ternary solutions. When you dissolve 3 substances together, then those are ternary solutions. Then there are again two possibilities. Either you will mix two solvent with one solute, 2 plus 1, 3, or you mix one solvent with two solute, 1 plus 2, 3. That is two solvent and one solute, or one solvent and two solute. Example is salt plus sugar plus water. 1, 2, 3. 3 components, so ternary solution. Salt and sugar are solute and solvent is water. So we have one solvent and two solutes. So this is ternary solution. Third basis to classify solutions is on the basis of physical state of components. Yesterday only I have told you it is on the basis of state of the solvent we tell about the state of the solution. If the solvent is solid in state, then the solution will be solid solution. If the solvent is liquid in state, then the solution is liquid solution. If the solvent is gaseous in state, then the solution is gaseous solution. Now, on the basis of this, we get 3 types of solutions on the basis of physical state of component. Now, to these 3 states, these types of solutions, there we make further subdivisions. That is, we can take different solutes and same solvent. Like for solid solution, solvent will be solid, but the solute can be either gas, liquid, solid. In the same way, for liquid solution, the solvent will be liquid because it depends upon the physical state of solvent. The solvent will be liquid only, but the solute can be gas, liquid or solid. So third one, solvent is gas, but the solute can be gas, liquid and solid. Now we'll see the examples of these. Now, it means gas is dissolved in a solid. Solid is in more quantity, gas is in less quantity. Example is hydrogen in palladium. If you put pressure over hydrogen, then it gets adsorbed on the surface of palladium. So gas is being adsorbed on the surface of solid. So this is example of gas on solid. Next example is liquid on solid. If you mix mercury with sodium, mercury is a liquid, sodium is a solid. Sodium in more quantity, mercury in less quantity. If they both are mixed together, they form amalgam. So it is an example of liquid in solid. Next one is solid solid. So these examples are alloys. When the solute is solid and the solvent is also solid, that is one in less quantities solid and the one in more quantity is also solid. Then the examples of these are alloys. Alloys example is bronze. So gas in solid example hydrogen in palladium, liquid in solid example mercury with sodium, amalgam, and solid in solid example alloys example bronze. Next, liquid solution. Solvent is liquid, solute is gas, liquid or solid. So it means you are dissolving a gas in liquid. You have seen aerated drink, you all drink cold drinks. So now in that carbon dioxide is dissolved in liquid. So gas is dissolved in liquid, where gas is in less quantity and you can see the full bottle is of liquids, is in liquid state. So example is all the aerated drinks. Or you know that oxygen is dissolved in water. Most of the water bodies, animals which who are in water, they breathe oxygen because oxygen is dissolved in water. So gas is dissolved in liquid. Next, liquid. All the alcoholic beverages, these are examples of liquid in liquid, because ethanol if dissolved in water will form alcoholic beverage. Next is solid dissolved in liquid. You have seen yesterday only I have dissolved sugar in water. So that is sugar is in less quantity and water is in more quantity. So sugar or salt solution are example of liquid solution. Third type is gaseous solution. Gas. Both are gas, solute and solvent. So example is air. So air is a mixture of gases where solute is also gas and solvent is also gas. Next one is liquid dissolved in gas. Liquid is in less quantity, gas is in more quantity. So if you dissolve chloroform plus in N2 gas, then that is example of liquid in gas. You know humidity of air. Air is maximum. So gas is in more quantity, in that water droplets are suspended. So that is humidity in air. Humidity, that is water droplets in air, is humidity. Last one is solid in gas. You can see air. In air, dust particles or smoke particles are suspended. So dust or smoke, that are example of solid in gas. So these are the subdivisions, and these are the three categories on the basis of physical state of components. Hope this one is clear to you all. Thank you and have a nice day.